Hello friends. So now see how to make a duplicate in wall. So let me select the wall architect, and here I am drawing the wall, and selecting the property palette is open now, and let me select the wall, and for making the duplicate, first I will go on the edit type. See, and see, here is a duplicate option. See, in the top right corner, see, here is a duplicate option. So I will click on this duplicate, and see, here is asking for a new name. Let me put it as a duplicate only. Okay, so now whatever you wanted to change it in this, by means of you can do at warping, at insert, at in, whatever you want to change, you can just make changes here just by clicking, which we have already seen in our previous class. See, we can make the changes. Okay, and we can if you wanted to make edit in structure part also, we can do make changes here also. See, this one is a original wall. If you wanted to insert some more layer, you can see, just insert. Let me put it as a yeah, already here, yeah, here is all layer completed. But if you wanted to add more layer, you can add. Just let me add one more layer here. This one is a finish. Yeah, finish. So you can add a, if you wanted to add some material, you can add just some material also. Just let me search paint here. Paint. Wait. Pai. Damp proofing. Yeah, you can add damp proofing also. You can add paint. If you search here, you will find paint layer also. As of now, I'm selecting paint only. Okay. Let me select. Okay. Here is more things, but I'm not going in these things. Okay. Just you can see I just applied damp proof layer. So you can just search and apply the material as per your requirement, whatever you wanted to apply. So just you need to understand what each this thing function things meaning. Just apply this thing correctly. This one is finished, so in front of it you just need to whatever material you are applying, just remember you need to apply that only. Okay, so you can do you can make changes from here also. If you wanted to your brick thickness would be 100, you can just make it 100, or whatever. If you wanted to just uh, 60 only, you can do it in accordance to you. If you wanted to your core structure layer to be 200, you can made it here. Zero thickness layer must have membrane layer. Yeah, see, let me show you this again. See, error row 1. See, in this row 1, here what it is, thickness layer must have membrane layer. Thickness layer must have membrane layer function or be deleted. Why? Sorry, zero thickness. Sorry, zero thickness layer must have membrane layer. I already shown you last lecture. The membrane layer is only allowed to be zero, and this layer have must have some thickness only. Must need to have some thickness. See, now I'm keeping as a dump proof is 1 mm. Now I'm keep pressing OK. See, now it is okay, and now